Hello, this is Patrick Ames with another flashlight review. Today we will be reviewing the Lumintop GT Mini inspired by Budget Light Forum. This model is cool white. Now, from the factory, the packaging is pretty standard. We got a cardboard box with a picture of the flashlight. It has a sleeve on it. The packaging has the Lumintop logo with bunny. Looking on the cardboard box, it does not seem to have any kind of writing or information on the box itself. So we are going to continue on. Open up the box. So right away, I do see a user manual. It has all the safety precautions and information regarding the user interface and pretty much all the information you're ever going to need in regards to this flashlight. I'll go through it a little bit right now. I'm going to give you what kind of user interfaces you have, default and alternative. In this video, we're just going to be going through the default ramping user interface. Okay, turn it over. You can see this light is using XPL high intensity LED, 1200 lumens on turbo, and 135,000 candela, or 750 meters of throw in this light. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Now, going through the accessories in the box, we have some spare O-rings, pretty standard. A purple lanyard. This is nice because it's different from the industry standard of black lanyards. So a nice Lumintop to try to be different. Give you something it's not somebody else gives you. Right, pulling off the flashlight. I'm gonna set the box to the side. Okay. So put that to the side as well. Looking at this light, looking at the head, I don't see any writing on the head. It has minimal amount of writing on the body, just the Lumintop and then the GT Mini logo. It has some really nice heat-sinking fins, pretty deep. The knurling is very nice, very grippy on the body. Looking down the barrel of the light, we do see that Cree XPL high intensity LED, giving you the 1200 lumens in this light. It does have a smooth reflector for the extra throw, because this is a throwing flashlight. Alright, so we will take apart the body and take a look at it. Now these threads are square cut. Really nice threading. Nice lubrication from the factory. Looking at the driver, we do see a small spring at the driver. Take apart the tail cap of the flashlight. You notice how thick this body is. That battery is going to be well protected in that flashlight. Looking at the tail cap, we do see that we do have a dual spring in this tail cap, which gives you lower resistance, which allows the current to flow through the flashlight more easily. So I'm going to throw a battery in this flashlight and we can continue on. Now with the Narcel user interface, or this ramping user interface, when you do screw the light onto the body, you are going to get some blinks letting you know that it is now connected. Notice there is a backlight on here, lit up. Alright, so now let's talk about the user interface. We'll start with the basics. One click to turn it on, one click to turn it off. Okay. Now, it does have a mode memory, so if you do a single click, it will bring you back to the mode you were previously on. So to start in Moonlight every time, hold the button down and you're gonna get Moonlight, and then you're gonna hold the button, it's gonna ramp up. And now if you ramp all the way up, this is not turbo. Turbo has to be accessed by double clicking the button, and now this is turbo. So I'm gonna hold the button again and we are going to slowly ramp back down. Okay, turn the button, push it one more time, turn the light off. Now, to access the strobe modes, you are going to go into turbo. So from off, I'm just going to double click, get straight into turbo. And then now we're going to double click from turbo and we are going to get strobe. Okay, let's turn the light off now. There is a battery status checker on this flashlight. You are going to triple click the button, 1, 2, 3, and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna turn it off. I currently have 3.7 volts in this battery, so could be charged. Not my biggest concern right now. Now there is an electronic lockout for this light. You're gonna click it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's gonna give you a lockout mode. And you are no longer going to be able to use this light. You can use that mode for putting in your pocket, or if you just don't want your friends using your flashlights. I know I sometimes get weary of loaning out my flashlights. So now I'm going to re-enable the flashlight, 4 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it is re-enabled. It does have a crenulated bezel on the top, which is nice, because if you are using the light and you accidentally set it face down and leave the light on, you can see that you are able to tell that the light is on, and that is always a nice feature, so you don't completely drain the battery or burn a hole in your table that you set it on, you know. This light is using a single 18650 battery. So would I recommend this light? Yes, I definitely would. For the size that it is, and to be able to give you, I believe it's 135,000 candela, that is absolutely phenomenal. Lumintop, working alongside BLF, Budget Light Forum, have created a light that I feel has made a dominant presence in the single 18650 throwing flashlights. And I would definitely recommend this to anybody that is looking for a top-end throwing flashlight.